Depositing a check using the Fifth Third mobile app is a convenient way to access your funds without visiting a branch. Here's a guide on how to do it. Log in. Open the Fifth Third mobile banking app on your smartphone and log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to Deposit. Once logged in, navigate to the Deposit a Check section of the app. This option is typically found in the main menu or on the app's home screen. Select Account. Choose the account into which you want to deposit the check. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you select the correct one. Capture images. Position the check on a flat surface and use your phone's camera to capture images of the front and back of the check. Ensure the check is well lit and that all edges are visible in the frame. Enter check details. After capturing the images, enter the check amount and any other required information as prompted by the app. Review and confirm. Review the deposit details to ensure accuracy, then confirm to initiate the deposit process. Wait for confirmation. After submitting the deposit, wait for confirmation that the transaction was successful. Funds are typically available within 1 to 2 business days, though this may vary depending on Fifth Third's policies.